understand.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a Pretty Little Thing and Boohoo haul. It's mainly a lot of basics. I felt like I wanted to get a lot of like basic stuff and some like jumpers and hoodies and like oversized t-shirts and all those kind of things. But I haven't opened any of them yet. I've got two big bags full to get through with you. I asked on Instagram if you guys were interested in seeing what I had ordered and you said yes. So let's not delay any longer and let's just jump straight into the video. I'm going to start with Pretty Little Thing first. The first one was the light pink ultimate oversized sweater in pink. Oh my god, it looks really bright on camera. A very plain pink, very baby pink jumper. To me, straight away looking at it, it doesn't look that oversized, not in length anyway. I will try it on so I can kind of see what it's like. It feels really nice and soft on the inside, but if any of you guys have seen my Needy AF white jumper, I think I wore it in my last Primark haul. That was exactly the same size, so I got it in a small. I kind of wish maybe, when they say ultimate like oversized, I think even in a small it's going to seem really big. To me it doesn't actually seem that oversized. That kind of just like sits a little bit off my shoulders, and like the sleeves and stuff do seem like quite a good length, but I like it if they're maybe a little bit longer in length, but we will see. I love the colour of it. It feels really nice and soft. Okay, first up I just want to apologise. Jed's just jumped in the shower, so if you can hear the shower going, the bathroom's the other side of this wall. But this is the supposedly pink oversized jumper. Now the colour, love it. Sleeves, the length of the sleeves, all of this, love that. Love the dropped bit. It fits really nice around the neck. Sometimes when I have tried on a few like oversized things, the thing all around the neck can get a little bit kind of gapey and stuff, and I haven't felt like it looks too gappy or anything. Feels super soft, but it's not oversized in this part. So this is kind of when I feel like I would like this to kind of be like super big, and I'd want it to go quite, I don't know, just like past this area. I'd like it to be like, if you pull a jumper down like this, I'd want it to be a little bit more to like that length, and it's just not. And yeah, I absolutely love it. And what I'm worried about now is I feel like I want to go online and just go and see if it's in stock in the medium, but then what I don't want it to do is get too big around here or to get too big in like the arm length and stuff, because actually that feels really nice. I just want it to be longer, but I do think, oh, it feels so soft and I literally love the colour. I will make sure everything that I've got in here, obviously I will link down below for you guys, so if you are interested you can get it. But they had like a 20-25% off of everything, so I was like, amazing, go straight to my wish list, and I went and just bought quite a few things. So this is a t-shirt. Again, you'll probably start to notice that everything has got a bit of a theme. It's oversized. So this was the Pretty Little Thing slogan oversized t-shirt in grey. I also got this in a small. It looks bigger on camera, but when you actually put it to you, I'm not really sure how oversized it is. I'm wondering whether I should have gone a size up in everything, but I just really like these. I've seen a lot of girls wear these. I like it sometimes if they're just tucked in. I like it if there's put like a big knot in the front of it, but it's something that I think you can kind of dress up or dress down. So even if I put like my leathery trousers on or something with this, with a blazer over the top and tucked this in, it could look really cute. Okay, so now I've got the Pretty Little Thing, just like their branded oversized t-shirt. So this was in the size small, and to be fair, actually now putting it on, I've now, like, it is quite long, it's not too bad of a length at all. The sleeves are quite nice and loose, like they're not too tight or anything. I actually really like this, and I don't know, I think it looks a little bit more flattering on than I thought it might do. Again, you could totally like tuck this in and it could look super cute like this. The next thing, not so sure I'm gonna like this. So I have been really wanting a beige baseball cap, and Adidas did one where I saw someone had got one somewhere else in Europe, and I literally loved it so much, and I've not been able to find it anywhere in the UK at all, and everything I keep finding is either a little bit too peach or it's a little bit too khaki, and I just haven't really liked any of them. And this, when I saw this one, I thought I might really like this cap. It's just a really simple plain one. Personally, straight away, I think it looks, for a start, it's like super flat. I don't like how flat that is. I'd want it a little bit more curved round, and then when you curve it, it looks a little bit cheapy, but it's got a Velcro bit on the back, so obviously if you want to amend the size of it, but immediately it just, I don't know, it just looks like I would want it more like that, I think, but I don't know, I'm not sure about that one. So moving on to Boohoo. Now Boohoo was the one where I'd actually ordered quite a lot of things, so this is why I did the Pretty Little Thing first, so you guys can just see a few of them, whereas Boohoo I did actually buy quite a few things, and I could have, to be honest, I could have bought more. Like, I just feel like there's so many things on their website right now that I was loving, so we got a lot in here, which is really exciting. First one, a rib neck turtle. Oh yes, so I love in the winter to wear like turtlenecks and roll necks. I really like it. I've got a black one, I've got a navy one, I had a khaki one, but the one colour I didn't have was a white one, which I thought was a little bit strange that, like, considering I love them so much, there's one I just didn't have. So this is just a simple one. So it's not a roll neck, this one, this is just a turtleneck, but I do really like it when it's a high neck, and it's just ribbed. It feels quite nice and stretchy. Also the fabric feels really soft, which is really nice. Okay, so the next thing that I'd got was a cropped oversized sweater in white. Again, I got it in a small, so we'll see actually how oversized in a small it actually is. Now it's a really strange material. Really strange material. It's like a, so I think it's quite cute. It's got like a really, it's like, you can see all of the, it's got like a scuba look to it. And then it's got the cuff sleeves, and then obviously it is cropped here. And they have dipped it a little bit more in the front than the back, which is slightly unusual. But I don't know if that's just like, if I put them up in line. No, it's slightly off, but then I suppose on the front, because your boobs, you do want it to, sometimes they go up. But it feels really nice, but it's a really strange like material, like the pattern on it. You can really see like the stitch detailing in it. Not in a bad way, just a bit different. Right, now, I feel like I'm getting onto this super late. Now, I just didn't know whether I would ever like the cycle short trend, and just as we're going into autumn and winter, it's a little bit strange maybe that I'm liking them, but I have often found there's certain outfits that I'm wearing where I think cycle shorts would have actually looked really cute with this. I really wish I had some, even if it's just for like laying around the house, or if it's for the airport and stuff. And if any of you guys have watched my previous vlog that is due to go up before this one goes out, then you'll know that we are going to Vegas and Miami in January, so which is really exciting, because it's less than like, it's like 90 days or something we go away, which also means I can't believe how quick it'll be until Christmas. But I did think that these would be quite nice because we're going to be obviously flying from Vegas to Miami, that maybe like a really comfortable thing to wear on the flight, and I did think maybe bicycle shorts would be a really good thing to have. So I have got these ones. Now I wanted the long line ones, I wanted them to come just slightly above the knee really, I didn't want them to be super short, but these are the long line slinky bicycle shorts in black. They are nice and stretchy, they don't feel too thin, which is something that I was really worried about. They have got like that nylon-y feel to them. Okay, so these are the shorts. Ignore kind of like, I've got some fake tan failure going on, like it needs to be taken off. These are the nylon shorts to the length that's just above the knee, which is where I kind of wanted it to be. They're quite, they are quite high, which I think is really nice. They actually feel really nice, really comfortable. They're like really soft. I like them, and they come up super high. So I think that's a really good good length. The next thing I've got is another oversized t-shirt, and this was in the colour sand. this isn't oversized. I don't know what Boohoo are. How is that oversized? That is totally a normal t-shirt. There is nothing oversized about that at all. How can they say it's oversized? I got it in a small, again. Now that would fit me just like a regular t-shirt, and it'll be slightly baggy, but not super big, whereas I want it to be properly oversized. I really like the colour of it, and actually it probably would look quite nice. I suppose because it's not a boyfriend oversized, maybe that's the thing. I really like the colour. I like that it's 100% cotton. I think the colour is really nice, and it is quite long, like it is a really long one, but it is quite narrow. So again, we'll see when I try that on, I'll see what that's like. Okay, so this one, as I'd expected, is definitely not oversized at all. So I think this just, because it's not oversized, like it doesn't go over your hips, it's kind of like resting. Now it's kind of like a really cute colour. I think you could totally like tuck it in, and then if you tuck it in, then actually I think it's a really nice shape. So it's something I'm gonna keep because I think I can tuck it in to like some like nice like leather trousers or something, or just like some other jeans, and then can like throw a jacket over because the colour of it's really nice. The sleeve length is actually really nice. God, we've got a little bit bright. The sun has suddenly really come out, so it's just lightened up the screen, so I'm going to have to do a bit of editing with that one. So the next thing was another t-shirt, and this one, I love the colour. Love the colour of this. This is a basic washed oversized t-shirt in mint. Now this feels like, yes, now this is what I would say is an oversized t-shirt, and this is in small as well. How much bigger is this? Like that's so much bigger. Let me just get the cream one. Clearly you can see like the size difference on this. How can they both be in small, both be oversized, and yet the size difference is so different? And to me, this is what an oversized is. Now I just love this colour so much. I just think that's such a lovely colour. The oversized in like the mint, which this is the kind of length that I would assume would be an oversized. So I actually really like it. I don't think the lighting is probably showing the best in here, and it probably does make me look a little bit bigger actually, but I do. I think I really like it. And then it's like you could easily like tuck it in if you wanted, and then it still doesn't feel like it's too, like it doesn't feel too long or anything. Like I really like this. Is the oversized crew sweat in grey marl. Again, this was in a small, but we'll soon see if this actually, again, is oversized, or if it is actually like a small, just a basic small jumper. Oh my god, it's so soft on the inside. Okay, so I have loads of jumpers. I have a problem. Confession, I absolutely love jumpers. I have so many, and you guys will have seen lots of them already, but it is kind of an addiction of mine that I just want to have so many jumpers. And I've got like white ones and grey ones and red ones, pink ones. I've got so many different colours, black ones, patterned ones. I just love them. I really do. I just find them so easy to throw on, especially if they're a plain one, because they'll just go with anything. This is the oversized in small kind of grey one, and I didn't have a plain grey one, so all of mine have got a pattern on. Oh well, this was in a size 10. Oversized crew neck sweat, but I don't think that's oversized. So this one, just like the pink one, but this one is obviously Boohoo, the other one was Pretty Little Thing, was very similar sizing, but I don't like the shoulder. Like if I do this, I look like I'm some sort of like bodybuilder. Like it's just not very feminine, very flattering. I love grey, I wear so much grey, but this isn't quite right. Like on the inside though, it feels really soft. It actually feels like quite nice quality. Again, it's like quite good all around, like the neck and stuff with the sizing, but the arms aren't quite right. They just feel like really bulky either side. So For me, this is a no. Okay guys, that's it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you've hit the notifications as well so that you can know when my next video is coming out. I'm trying to be really good and try and stick to it being nearly every Sunday. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favourite item is. And like I said, I'll have all items linked down below. Thanks guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You're